through the front door, of course, and travel trailer. There's not a back door. Nothing left down here except dog hair. That's where I kept Mom's albums. Yes, I'm the keeper. Here's all my personal items, all that's left. My trip to Disneyland, Catherine. A wooden nickel stick that my dad made in 1995. I put little sticks on my packages. Here's Doc's collar of shame. Calendar page. Marine Corps. Here's the bathroom. Greg's checked it for leaks already. There was only one tiny leak that he's already got fixed. John will have plenty of dishes, a toaster, a coffee pot. He's got a TV. This couch folds out. Here's the bedroom. It's got pretty good storage. My Schlitterbahn cigarette box. And a little cobweb. Microwave. And here's lots of inside storage. It does have 2 sliders. So it's 27 foot, but with 2 sliders. So I think he'll be comfortable till he finds what he wants to do. I've made up my mind. Nobody does what they want to do for the rest of their life. It always changes. But anyway, give him my love and I'll send this to him too.